Okay, if you have a math problem like this, then here is how you can easily solve it.
We have 4 circles all stacked up closely to each other.
All of these circles are identical with a diameter of 5 cm given. We're going to run through this one a bit quicker with the assumption that we now already have enough knowledge and understanding on the concept of circles and square. So we're going to begin with the midpoint of the circle or the center point of the circles. So we place dots. Now we connect these dots from all center points. After we connect all of these dots, we now ended up with a square drawn by joining the center of all of the circles. Okay? And that square captures the shaded region that we are going to calculate the area of. Now let's translate this one into another diagram so we can clearly put our dimensions down. So we're going to draw a square and we're going to draw those parts of the circles that we cut out. And now we're going to label them as A, B, C, and D, just to give us a good understanding. Now, for this new diagram that we just drawn, if you look at it closely, we now have 4 quarters of a circle embedded in a square. Can you see that? And those quarters are the ones that we cut out from the original drawing. If you have 4 quarters of a circle, you join them all up together, you get a complete circle. Okay, I'm going to say this again. If you have 4 quarters of a circle and you join them all up together, you will get a complete circle or one full circle. We now have an area of a full circle embedded inside this square. And the radius of the circle is already given. We worked it out up there. Now let's deal with this square. So the radius that we have up there, we know that from the edge of the square to the middle, it will be 2.5 centimeter. And from the middle to the edge, it will be another 2.5 centimeter. We now have a square of side 5 centimeter. Okay, so like we've been doing, we work out the area of the circle, we work out the area of the square, and then we subtract the area of the circle from the square to get the area of the shaded region. So we evaluate the area of the square, that will be 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter, and that's 25 square centimeters. And we go ahead and evaluate the area of that imaginary circle. We can denote the area of the circle as the quarter A plus quarter B plus quarter C plus quarter D. And if we plug the values to the formula, we'll get around 19.625 square centimeters. And now we can move on to work out the area of the shaded part. That means we subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square. And that will be 5.375 square centimeters.